Hello everyone, you're welcome in my math segment and I am your instructor Sharvari Joshi. Today we will do Fun with Puzzles Part 2. Puzzle number 1. A team has 9 players. How many possible batting orders are there in the whole group? Puzzle number 2. A cylindrical glass container is 20 cm tall and has a diameter of 10 cm on the inside wall. 3 cm from the upper circular base, there is a drop of molasses on the lateral surface of the diametrically opposite. There is a fly. Which is the shortest distance or route for the fly to take to reach the molasses? Puzzle number 3. Bombay has a high television tower. Suppose you don't know the height but you are having a photograph of the tower. Is there any way in which you can find the height of the real tower? Puzzle number 4. We have two different dice, one red and one black. In how many ways can they be thrown? Puzzle number 5. My bank pays me 4% simple interest compounded annually. If I deposit $100 at the beginning of each year for 5 years, what would be my balance at the end of the 5 years? Solve these puzzles and comment down all your answers to check if your answers are right or wrong. Enjoy solving them with your family.
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.